Imagine this. Current heat waves are pushing temperatures up, soaring from a sweltering 38 to a scorching 42 degrees Celsius. But what if I told you there are places where the mercury doesn't just soar, it skyrockets to a blistering 40 to 50 degrees Celsius on a regular day? Would you dare to venture into such extreme heat? Today we're going to explore the hottest places on Earth. From barren deserts to scorched plains, join me as we delve into the realms where the sun's power is truly unbridled. Welcome to Death Valley, California, famously known as the hottest place on Earth. Here, the ground scorches underfoot and the air shimmers with heat. In July 2013, this sun-baked valley hit a record 56.7 degrees Celsius, making it a formidable challenge even for the hardiest of adventurers. The landscape is stark, with its sprawling salt flats and rugged mountains forming a backdrop that's as deadly as it is beautiful. Survival here depends on careful preparation. Water is life, and shade is a precious commodity. The flora and fauna have uniquely adapted to this extreme environment, with species like the resilient desert pupfish thriving where few others can. Death Valley isn't just a name, it's a warning. Next, let's travel to Kebili in Tunisia, a place where ancient charm meets relentless heat. This town is no stranger to temperatures soaring above 50 degrees Celsius. Despite the intense heat, Kebili is lush with date palms, providing not just shade but a vital source of food. The contrast between the scorching temperatures and the greenery of the oases is stark, highlighting nature's ability to adapt and flourish. Local life in Kebili revolves around these oases, with traditional methods of water management that have supported life here for thousands of years. The heat dictates the rhythm of daily life, slowing everything down during the peak hours of sun. Kebili is a testament to human resilience and the ingenuity required to survive in one of the hottest places on Earth. Our journey continues to Mitribah, Kuwait, another contender for Earth's top temperature records. In this small, unassuming spot, temperatures have peaked at a staggering 54 degrees Celsius. The heat here is so intense that it feels like standing in front of an open oven. The sun blazes down relentlessly, making the air quiver and dance. Life here has adapted in remarkable ways, with local wildlife and plants evolving strategies to cope with the extreme conditions. Humans too have learned to live with the heat, building their lives around avoiding the sun's peak fury. Mitribah's climate challenges are a stark reminder of the planet's diverse environmental extremes, pushing the limits of habitability. Once recorded as the hottest place on Earth with a temperature of 58 degrees Celsius in 1922, Aziziya in Libya is no stranger to extreme heat. Although this record was later contested, the fact remains that Aziziya is incredibly hot. This area is characterized by its barren landscapes and sparse vegetation, where only the hardiest of life forms can thrive. The heat impacts everything here, from the soil's ability to cultivate crops to the daily lives of the people who call this place home. Survival strategies are deeply embedded in the culture, including midday siestas to escape the sun's wrath and architectural designs meant to keep indoors cool. Aziziya's climate is a harsh teacher, imparting lessons of resilience and adaptation. In Turbat, Pakistan, the summers are relentless, with temperatures frequently climbing above 50 degrees Celsius. This region experiences some of the highest temperatures in Pakistan, making it a challenging environment for both humans and wildlife. The intense heat affects water supply, agriculture, and health, shaping a lifestyle that revolves around beating the heat. Traditional architectural styles here incorporate features designed to cool buildings, such as thick walls and small windows. The community's daily routine is timed to avoid the hottest parts of the day, showcasing a profound respect and adaptation to their environment. Turbat is a place where the sun dictates the terms of life, and the people have tuned their lives to its rhythm. Dallol, Ethiopia, is one of the most otherworldly places you can imagine. Located in the Danakil Depression, it's often cited as one of the hottest inhabited places on the planet, with average temperatures in the hottest months exceeding 41 degrees Celsius. But it's not just the heat that makes Dallol unique. It's the surreal landscapes that look more like a scene from another planet. The area is famous for its colorful springs and other geothermal features, including salt formations, acid pools, and gas geysers. Life here is scarce, and the few microbial communities that manage to survive in such harsh conditions are of great interest to scientists studying extremophiles. Visiting Dallol is like stepping onto the surface of Mars, with extreme heat and alien terrains that challenge the limits of life on Earth. The Sahara Desert is synonymous with heat. Stretching across much of North Africa, it is the largest hot desert in the world and an emblem of extreme temperatures. Here, the sun reigns supreme, and the vast expanses of sand can reach temperatures that make the air shimmer with heat. Life in the Sahara is a testament to adaptation and survival, with nomadic tribes like the Tuareg navigating this harsh landscape for centuries. The desert challenges all forms of life, from the camels traversing the dunes to the sparse vegetation clinging to life. The Sahara's beauty is stark and mesmerizing, a sea of sand that continues to captivate and awe with its relentless heat and boundless horizons. Iran's Dasht-e Lut desert holds the record for the hottest surface temperature ever recorded on Earth, a blistering 70.7 degrees Celsius. This remote desert is not just hot, it's a natural oven. The landscape is marked by salt plains, sand ridges, and rock formations that seem to glow under the intense sun. The heat here is so severe that it's uninhabitable, with no permanent settlements and only the occasional daring explorer venturing into its core. Dasht-e Lut is a place of extreme beauty and extreme danger, its temperatures creating a natural barrier that few can cross. This desert is a stark reminder of the Earth's raw, untamed power, where the sun sets the rules and survival is a fleeting chance. In the remote northern part of South Australia lies Udalladatta, an area often overlooked but no less extreme. Known for its persistent heat waves, temperatures here can soar to 50 degrees Celsius, challenging the survival of the local flora and fauna. The landscape is rugged and beautiful, with red earth and sparse vegetation that has adapted to the arid conditions. Life here moves at the pace set by the sun, with local communities and wildlife finding ways to thrive despite the oppressive heat. Udalladatta is a testament to the resilience of life in extreme conditions, a place where the sun's embrace is as harsh as it is enduring. Our final stop is Timbuktu in Mali, a city steeped in history and scorched by the sun. Once a thriving hub of trade and scholarship, today it faces temperatures that often exceed 40 degrees Celsius. The heat here is more than a climatic condition. It's a historical companion that has shaped the culture and architecture of this legendary city. The buildings are constructed with thick mud walls to insulate against the heat, and the narrow streets are designed to provide shade. The people of Timbuktu have long adapted to their environment, their daily lives intertwined with the rhythms of the sun. Timbuktu is not just a place, it's a narrative of human endurance and cultural legacy, surviving and thriving under the relentless African sun. There you have it, the top 10 hottest places on Earth, each with its own unique challenges and beauty. Venturing into these heat-blasted landscapes requires courage, preparation, and respect for nature's power. Remember, the key to surviving in extreme conditions is understanding and adapting to the environment. Whether it's the scorching sands of the Sahara or the fiery heart of Dasht-e Lut, each place teaches us about resilience and the indomitable spirit of life. So, stay adventurous, stay prepared, and maybe one day you'll find yourself standing under the relentless sun of one of these extreme hotspots. Until then, keep exploring and respecting this incredible planet we call home.